Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. It's Red Dragon 83 here. We are at Bitcoin, Wednesday, August 7th. We will do a quick analyze pre-market, pre-New York session, right? It's 6:23 at New York time. Okay, we identified the point of interest in here, in this zone. We marked 50% of the previous year zone here. We are very close to it. And yeah, yesterday we hit here 57. Yeah, yesterday in, oh my god, here we are, alright. Yesterday morning session we went up. We hit the 57 mark, 57,000 at this point. What price did is, let's just analyze this part here, right? We knew at 57 we had large orders. We hit the 57, and what price did is, we had a bullish distribution here. If you look at the price behavior, it's very tight, and all it does is, we have tight lower lows, and lower highs. And while we are doing it, right, this is all engineered liquidity. You see the equal highs here? We go down, we go down, we go down, we go down. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. We go up, a lower high, higher low, right? Price pushes up, takes up this liquidity here, these equal highs. And then price, just takes out liquidity and then shoots down, boom. You have the same behavior again, look, liquidity trend line, we are engineering again, without really going anywhere. We are filling this fair value gap here, it's a big one. We are entering the gap. The gap is here, right? See this? Right to the 50%, right? But we have a box for the vector candle, So I already know we are in a green vector candle. We are starting working it, the green vector candle, which is also a fair value gap on the green vector here. We hit the 50% of the fair value gap. And still, while we are going down, we take this lick, this lick, this lick, and we took this lick. After taking this, price goes up, higher low, higher low. If you analyze this here, right, and if you apply the SPS sequence, you hit the fair value gap here, and then you watch price. You get a 1, you get a higher time frame, 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see the SPS sequence here, I look at it. This gives you a nice confirmation that we go up again, I see this chop here. I see this break of structure here, change of character, break of structure. And when we take out the low of the break of structure, right, you can set up a limit. Look, this is very important. You can set up, you see the inside choke here, or inside break of structure here, this zone. You can set up below the 2, a buy limit, stop loss below, and then you can ride it up. In my previous video, I explained all of this, what's going on, right? Our key location was 57 mark, but you were also seeing in the order book, we still had resting orders above, and we marked the order cluster, right? It was marked at 57.3. So I knew we didn't finish collecting the limit orders, to fill the limit orders, and we are pretty close to it. So let price engineers liquidity at this location, right? Like this, and then pushes up again, just to get fill. just to fill the rest of the orders here, right? That's what this move is, you know. That's why they engineered the liquidity. It's a fair value gap, bam, you know, and then they start filling everything else in here, you know, in this area. Now we have, all right. So we are here, right? We took the liquidity to fill the resting orders, you know. If you went short here, right, because you see price goes down, if you take shorts in here and you don't take profit at key locations. Let me remove this, I don't need that. Okay. Boom, your stop loss got it, my friend, you know, if you went short in these locations, because you are thinking, we are on top. This is the top, but it's not, right? I made a question mark here because I want to now find out where the real top is to go down and fill all the imbalances. Because I think we are extreme bearish. We are just priming up price, you know, just to go down. That's what I believe. And we have this break of a structure. So this is a zone, a DTFX zone. We marked the 50% of it. I'm expecting we will touch the 50% and can go down. Can go down, right? It's not guaranteed. But I also marked here, you see the yellow lines here, 1, 2, 3. I marked these big injection points. These are big injection points, big orders were hit. And we have 3 of them in the zone here, in our zone. So this is all point of interest. This is pinpoint interest, right? This is not fair value gap and this. No, this is pinpoint high volume, concentrated high volume in this range. So these 3 yellow lines are points of interest. 50% is just, it just can go to the 50 and can go down because I saw that many times happen, you know. But also we marked like surgical, right? We have our point of interest in the zone. So when I want to go short here, right, and I don't see behavior like we go up, right? Wait, let's say we did go up like this, right? We have this. If I don't see a break and a retest of the break, you know, for my confirmation. If I want to short this market, you have to consider, because this is the zone, right? This is the high of the zone we are working in. You want to go short, you have to calculate your risk. What can price do? In my opinion, price has the potential to go up. What's it? Yeah, to go up to this. Man, I gotta change this color. Distracting me. Wait. This is the CME gap. This gray zone. Make it blue. Pink. Don't make it orange. Right. Yeah, let's make it like this. But this is a CME gap, you know. So we got the surgical points here, right? The high concentration volume, 1, 2, and 3. Price can go up to this point, which is in this purple bearish violet candle, you know. This is what the zone is. And then you have a red one in here. So you have to calculate your risk and think about what can price do, you know, when you consider an entry for a short position. Because we are right here, and I'm sure we will still, yeah, we will push, man. We're about to push right now. You see price is going through the up. Maybe we will hit 50 and go down. The safest play to play this, using low leverage, not high, between 5 and 10 maybe, you know. If you enter this area and you touch the 50% and you see a chock, you can hit the market sell and then put 2 limit orders above. So even when price goes up again, you know, to mitigate one of these areas here inside this range, you can reduce your entry price, you know, you can average in with 2 more entries, like on this or on this, but have a stop loss right here. So your loss will be minimal. You can reduce, maybe, you know, and if it's placed out, you have better entry, you have 2 more entries at better location, you have averaged your price up, and you can eat the cake to the downside. And if price decides to shoot up, your stop loss will be here, and maybe you lost low leverage, 5 to 10, and low margin. Don't use a lot of money, you know. I would not use a lot of money, you know, just to get in, and then maybe you can scale in if you see, all right, we are attacking the imbalances and we have our predicted lows down here. And then you can start scaling in and put the stop loss at break even or a little bit in profit when the price goes in your favor. This is how you can play it. A safe. I just gave you a safe entry. How to play this. 6:30. We push. Let's see what's going to happen when we get to 50%. Alright, I believe this is it. We can look at the book again. What's going on? It is at 58, 58.3. 58.3 is the highest concentration. Look at the book, right? 685 contracts at 58.3. 50% of the previous range is 58.340. So we already have limit orders here, you know. And then we can start working downwards. Our price just ignores the 50%, you know. It doesn't want to give the people. It depends, I guess, right? How many people are going long here? We have enough. Yeah, it looks like we have enough. You see these boxes here? These are entered positions right now on Binance. Large long, large longs, large longs, large longs, large longs, large longs. Yo, look at this, dude. A lot of longs are entered the market. Bitcoin, long short ratio, 85, 81. Oh, people are in this coin right now. Let's follow market structure. Another entry here for a round. You have built up liquidity from here to here. Perfect. It's all nice. Set it up. Alright, wait for your chock in this area. If you break this, right, man, before reaching this shit, we are already above Asia high. Keep that in mind. Previous day high, Asia high, we are above it. It is Wednesday. Delta is strong positive on this. On the last hour high, this hour's high is not that strong. 800, 700, 700. Yeah, your game is to how to find a good entry, right? If you don't break this high and you start breaking the lows, right? That's your signal. Alright, there's not much to say. It's just on a silver tablet right now. I don't know if this is correct English. On a silver tablet, on a silver plat. It just screams, go short. You know, we have liquidity for 3 days build up in here, you know. Nothing much more to say.